Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show a simple way how you can hide ads on Facebook. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is when you're going to see an ad like a mailer light here, you want to go right top corner to the three dots, and now we have options to hide an ad or report an ad. When you're going to report the ad, it will automatically have less reach for you, but what you want to do is just simply click hide ad. And right here, you won't see this ad in your newsfeed. So this is how you can hide ads. Yes, you need to do it for every single one of them that you're gonna see. You can disable the ads on the Facebook because you are the product on Facebook. That's the truth, because Facebook is free, so you are the product, and ads are the way how Facebook is making money. But this is how you do it. So right top corner to the three dots and hide an ad. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.